How's it going, everybody? Today I have some really sad news. GM and Chevrolet, in their infinite wisdom, has decided to kill, do away, discontinue the 4th generation Camaro. Can you believe that? Look at this beautiful car. Why would they quit making it? Why are they doing this to me? I can't believe it. Be right back. Have you heard? Have you heard? Wait, I know you have heard. Maybe you've heard this. Maybe you've heard that. But the main thing is the internet is going crazy right now because there's one article that says that they have inside sources, plural, not just one, to where GM is doing away with the Camaro after 2023. Do I believe it? Is it true? I don't know. But the reason I wanted to do the opening the way I did, the 4th gen, right? Beautiful car. Not for everybody, of course. Some people like it, some people hate it. That's okay. I like it. Well, they quit making it. That was the end of the line. That was the death of the Camaro, they said. Oh my God. Back then I was telling everybody, no, hold on. Why would they get rid of their one and only pony / muscle car? Why would they kill it? Sure, I know they did away with Trans Am, but that thing's been sold. They're making new Trans Ams at, what is it, Trans Am Worldwide. They're making new ones. So, not a Pontiac version, but a Camaro changed into a Pontiac. That's a whole different ballgame. We're talking specifically about Chevrolet. Chevrolet is not going to get rid of the one car that started it for them, which was the Camaro. And the source says that after 2023 that there will be no more Camaros, that GM's killing it. There's not going to be a 7th generation. And I want to talk about that for just a second. And what I want to talk about today, I had to come inside. Freaking mosquitoes were driving me batty. We might not have much flowers and stuff going on right now, but man, we got the skeeters. But back to the subject. Lethal Garage did a video about the same thing that I'm going to talk about, and that is each and every generation has to have a Z28. Sure, they have the Z01, which is an awesome car. I wish I could afford one, but currently I got things going on. I just can't do it. Then they have the Z01 1LE, and they have the 1LE. All of these, basically, except for the Z01, is a track-oriented car, specifically for road courses, nothing more. And if you look back through history, when they do the Z28, and typically, except for the 1st generation, typically is always toward the end of that generation. So we still got to have that, number one. We still have to have the refresh come out. But outside of that, there has been no test mule spotted of a new design. There's been no rumors. There's no been press releases. There's been nothing. And I've been talking about that in other videos. So I'll post it up there at the top. To where it kind of leads you to believe that maybe there isn't going to be one. But then you get to reading between the lines with Al Oppenheiser, the chief engineer, chief designer, whatever you want to call him, chief designer, lead designer. They moved him over to the electric side, and a couple of his crew went with him. Co-workers, whatever you want to call them. But they went with him. They're over there too to try to get the ball rolling, because this is another reason I say that you need to just hold on just 1 second about killing off the Camaro. They have the C8 that they've been invested in. That comes out next month. We're still in June. It comes out next month in July. They've been putting all their time and effort into that, testing, trying to keep it under wraps, except for the mules. with the camouflage driving around. But you've got that going on, and then a press release that I caught somewhere. I think Mary Barr talking about it, to where they want 17 vehicles of the GM lineup to be all electric by 2021. And if you don't know, the Mustang, the electric Mustang or hybrid Mustang, is supposed to come out in 2020. Supposed to. Well, you know, GM and Chevy, they're always a year behind Ford for whatever reason. And I don't know, if you put the fact that the C28 hasn't been done yet, and they've done one every single generation, and you put in the fact that they're doing the electric cars, switching over for that and everything, it could lead you to believe that the next generation is going to be electric or hybrid. Will it? Who knows? I don't even know if they've thought about it or if they've even tested. I know they've thought about it because they've got the drag car. So you add that in there and that twists it back that way. But that's a whole different story, and I don't want to get sidetracked on that. I'm trying to tell you the reasons of why GM or Chevrolet would put the next generation of Camaro on hold or delay. Like the 4th gen. 2002 was the last year. 5th gen came out 2010. That's 8 years it took them. But when it came out, they did it right. They brought it out right. Beautiful, beautiful car. And then after that, you know, what was it, 2013, 2014-ish, they changed the rear tail lights and a few things, and sales have been going downhill ever since. Now, there's several reasons for it, one of them being the fact that a lot of people are really still hanging on to the 5th gen because they loved it, and they liked it a lot better than they did the refresh. Then the 6th gen come out. Some people say that it's more aggressive. I could see where you could argue that. I personally think it's too European looking, the trend that every car manufacturer is going to nowadays. And I don't like it. And sales says that most people don't like it either. Sure, it's faster, but so what? Who cares? You can make anything fast. It's only fast until you go up against somebody faster, right? But you add all that together with the sales and everything, and then they did the 2019 fiasco with the front end. I know they had good intentions, trying something new, stepping outside the box, but it didn't work. And by all accounts, sales are even more dismal on that car than it is on the 6th gen of 2017 and 2018. 2019 just ain't hitting it for people. So they refixed the front end. 2020 definitely looks better. Will sales number be up? We'll have to wait and see. But you add all these factors together, and the fact that people aren't turning loose of the 5th generation Camaro, so they're putting it on hold. And in my opinion, they're doing it for the reasons that I stated. All the attention to the C8, all the attention going to the electric and hybrid lineup, and sales numbers dwindling. So they're going to put it on the back burner. They're not discontinuing it. They're not getting rid of it. They've even said that they will not respond to speculation, and then they turn it and start talking about the LT1 Camaro. Not the LT1 engine, the LT1 Camaro, which is going to be their baseline Camaro with the V8. So that's pretty cool. But not everybody wants a track-oriented car, so that's why I think they're going to bring back the Z28, which I know they're going to bring back the Z28. Yes, I know a Z28 is a track-oriented car, but it's a different beast than the 1LE. Yeah, it's just a totally different beast altogether. The Z28 has always been and always meant to be a monster, pure and simple, but a street-driven monster. So I just wanted to stop and put my 2 cents in there about what's going on. Everybody's, oh, it's over, it's over, it's over. Don't believe the hype. It might take them 5 years, it might take them 10 years, it might take them 15 years, who knows? It's all in their timeline. They're in no hurry. They're in no hurry to come out with the next generation Camaro. They've got plenty of stuff they could do and improve on this one. Lord knows it needs help. But they're not killing it. They're not doing away with it. Trust me. Just trust that little tidbit. They're not going to get... That's like them saying, oh, we're going to kill the Corvette. Really? Kill the Corvette? Why? They almost discontinued it for a while, but they didn't. The C6 saved it. That was a smart move. The C6 Corvette saved it. But I'm going to quit mumbling, I'm going to quit bumbling and fumbling and stumbling and all that good stuff, and I'm going to get out of here, get out of your hair, and fix me a snack. About that time of the day, I'm snacking and hungry. So, with all that good news, bad news, however you want to take it, say it, get out there and enjoy your car, and don't believe it. Don't believe it. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by.